Hello and welcome to this evening's edition of E-Prime. I am Daedran. Denim brand Levi's has recruited reggae singer Black Hero for their new vintage clothing line FW18 Rockers collection. The Levi's vintage campaign was inspired by the 1978 classic Jamaican film Rockers, so pieces in the collection are reminiscent of clothing worn during the film. The film crew spent 2 days capturing the images in downtown Kingston, recreating the scenes from Rockers' film by choosing the original spots where the movie was filmed. The Levi's crew also visited a studio to stage a live freestyle session. This campaign comes on the heels of Black Hero releasing his latest track Can't Wait in collaboration with Swing Ting, a record label and music production unit based in the UK. Black Hero has since released visuals for the track, which features cameos from other young Jamaican recording artists and personalities. Can't Wait is included on Swing Ting's EP Junction, which features vocalists from Jamaica, Ireland, UK, as well as other parts of the world. Singers Alex A. Game and Janique Myrie of Equinox Music are featured on the EP. Reggae artist Agent Sasco collaborates with Stonebwoy, Kabaka Pyramid and Spragga Benz on his latest single Change. Change, the latest track from Sasco's Hope River album, showcases rookie and veteran voices in Afrobeats, reggae and dancehall respectively. Change was featured last week on Apple Music as Ebro Darden's Beats One Banger. The Hope River album, currently available for pre-order on all digital platforms, features reggae, dancehall and international heavyweights as well as newcomers, collaborating with Sasco to rhythmically offer their take on social issues at home and abroad. Artist and producer Stephen Marley takes an objective stance on the good and bad on Grateful, while reggae-inspired rapper Cardinal Official imagines a world we may never see on Legacy. Soulful songstress Savannah represents for the ride-or-die ladies in relationships on They Will Rob You, and reggae artist Dre Island lends his captivating vocals on the single So Blessed. The Hope River album also brings motivational themes, as it features gospel singer Glacia Robinson on Mama Prayed and hitmaker Wayne Marshall on Journey. Sasco's lyric video for the single Banks of the Hope has set the tone for Hope River. The album's overall theme is hope. Agent Sasco's Hope River is slated for release on August 31. Now to news overseas. R&B singer Rihanna's biopic will be released in a matter of months. The documentary will chronicle the life and career of the Bajan pop star and give an insight into what it takes to make Rihanna a global success, such as her work ethic, her talent, her hustle and vision. Director Peter Berg, who took 3 years to complete the documentary, maintains that the biopic is a character study rather than a musical film. Rihanna and Peter Berg have worked together in the past on the 2012 blockbuster film Battleship. Spotify and Guinness World Records have announced the launch of the ultimate record-breaking playlist, The Year in Pop. To celebrate the musicians featured in the upcoming Guinness World Records 2019 book, the playlist features artists Rihanna, Drake, The Carters, Adele, Justin Bieber, Katy Perry, and more. That's it for this evening's edition of E-Prime. I am Daedran. Thank you for watching.